part of polygons. In our previous class, we were talking about regular polygons. A polygon with all sides and all angles equal is called as a regular polygon. In the case of regular polygon, you can remember these two formulas. Okay, to find the number of sides, the formula is 360 divided by each outer angle. Similarly, to get each outer angle, you have to divide 360 by the number of sides. Okay, now let us see questions in page number 58. First of all, I am discussing the third question. How much is each angle of a 15-sided regular polygon? How much is each outer angle? Now children, to find the outer angle is very easy. So let us find each outer angle, because we know number of sides to be equal to 15. Use the second formula. Each outer angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. So I am answering the second part of the question. Each outer angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. We know the number of sides is 15. So 360 divided by 15 gives you 2 15s are 30. In 60, 4 15s are 60. So we can say each outer angle to be equal to 24 degree. Now the first part of the question. How much is each angle of a 15-sided regular polygon? So to get each angle of a polygon, we know each inner angle plus outer angle forms a linear pair. We know outer angle to be equal to 24 degree. Therefore, each angle, or otherwise we can call each inner angle to be equal to 180 minus 24, which gives you 156 degree. Let us do the next problem. Look at the fourth question. One angle of a regular polygon is 168 degree. How many sides does it have? Just now we discussed the formula. To find the number of sides, use the formula. Number of sides is equal to 360 by each outer angle. Outer angle is equal to 180 minus 168. That gives you 12 degree. Now we know one outer angle. Now to get the number of sides, use the formula. Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by each outer angle. We know outer angle is 12 degree. So if you divide 360 by 12 degree, you get 3 12s are 36. Therefore 30. So number of sides is 30. Look at the next question. Can we draw a regular polygon with each outer angle 6 degree? What about 7 degree? Again, use the formula. Number of sides is equal to 360 by each outer angle. So you get, in this problem, you get the number of sides as 360 divided by 6. 360 is exactly divisible by 6. So you got 6 6 are 36. Therefore, you get number of sides to be equal to 60. So we can say, yes, we can draw a regular polygon with outer angle is equal to 6 degree. Come to the next part of the question, children. What about 7 degree? Can you draw a polygon with each outer angle 7 degree? Here again, we find the number of sides. So if you find the number of sides, what do you get? You get 360 divided by 7. Now 360 degree is not exactly divisible by 7. Number of sides of a polygon should be always a whole number. Since 360 is not divisible by 7, we can say we cannot draw such a polygon because number of sides here will be a fraction or a decimal number. Look at the first question. It is a construction. Draw a hexagon of equal sides and unequal angles. We have to draw a hexagon whose sides should be equal. So what we can do? You take a fixed measure using a scale. Draw a line for 6 centimeter. I have drawn a line for 6 centimeter. Okay. Now draw a line which is parallel to it with the same measurement 6 centimeter. So you got two sides of the hexagon. Now in your compass you take the same measure 6 centimeter. I am drawing an arc of measure 6 centimeter. With this point draw another arc. The two arcs will meet at a point. Repeat the same with these two ends. Now join these two lines to these two arcs. Let us name it A, B, C, D, E, F. We got a hexagon with all sides equal but not all the angles equal. Come to the second question. Draw a hexagon of equal angles and unequal sides. We are going to draw a hexagon with all angles equal. Sum of all angles in a hexagon is equal to 720 degree. So how much will be each angle? We can say each inner angle would be 720 divided by 6, which is equal to 120 degree. So what we are going to do? Draw a line of any measure and measure 120 degree at both of its ends. Okay, draw a line of any measure. I have drawn a line. Now let us name this as AB. At A and B measure equal angles. We are measuring 120 degree at the point A and B. Keep your protractor at B and measure 120 degree. So 120 degree is here. Keep your protractor at A and measure 120 degree. 120 degree is here. Join this. So these two angles are 120 degree. Now again keep your protractor at this point and also at this point. So we can name this point as F. Now measure 120 degree at C and F. Measure 120 degree. So 120 degree is here. Keep your protractor at C. 0, 120, 120 degree is here. Let us name this point as D and this point as E. Now join D to E. So we got a hexagon with all angles equal but sides are not equal. Remaining problems we will be discussing in our next video, children. Thank you.